Alright, so as I have told you guys before that in this video we are going to learn how we can and actually how you guys can make up to $500 every week just by watching simple YouTube videos that you actually like. It's not like we will make you watch specific type of videos. It is the videos which you find funny, which you think other people find funny, and which you think that videos are getting most type of views. So just think in your mind for 1 second. Right now we are on my browser, as you can see. So just think in your mind that what are the things which people like the most these days. And in case if you are not getting any idea, um even if my question is very simple, that what are the things that people are really tend to like and tend to watch these days, what will be your choice? Like as we search for popular video games, so these are the popular video games right now. If I go into images, so these are the popular games. We can say Mini Mario, we can make Spider-Man, all these things and other cool stuff right here. So these are the popular things which are going on right now. So what we have to do, we will simply go to YouTube and as you can see that this is my YouTube. These are the things which I am like to like most. If I go to the music category, that this is the music which is popular these days. So you just have to give it a think that what are the things that people like to watch the most. For example, uh, basically we are trying to find a very popular video which is continuously getting more views. So if I search like motivational video, so as you can see, there are these tons of motivational videos right now, right here, which you can watch to get motivated and get other things which people are watching right now, right? And exactly like these are the other things that you can search for Fortnite. As you can see that these are the Fortnite which videos are getting streamed right now, which fans are crazy about this video game. So these are the popular videos right now. So what you have to do, you have to find a popular video and get to it. Like if I say that I will search for motivational video. So these are the current motivational videos which are getting more and more views. So like you can see, there is this motivational video called The Dream, which is getting 61 million views. It is posted 9 years ago. It is constantly getting more views because since you can see that it is in the searching, in the top searching videos almost. So what we have to do, that as you can see that this is a popular video, this is still getting more views. What you have to do, you have to open this video and go to the share button and copy this link.
I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you've been working toward that.
All right. So now you have copied this link. Now you have to go to this very nice website called uii.io. And like you can see with the interface that earn money. So get paid by every visitor who visits URL. So if I go into the details of this website, I can tell you what this website is and how it's gonna make us and how it's gonna help us. So as you can see right now, why join us? They are the reasons because of which I like this website personally. It's a very good website which can help you to make money just by watching YouTube videos. It is a completely free tool where you can create short links, share it, you get paid. So now you can make money from home by managing a product in your laptop. What it is saying that if you have a link and you make people watch it, and if people visit your link, then you can make money out of it. And fewer rates, higher payout, highest pay rates. We are proud to have the highest pay rates. These are the pay rates are very high in this website, and the lowest minimum payout is $5. That if you have $5 in your account, you can request for a withdrawal immediately. 20% referral bonus, like if you refer this website to one of any of your friend, then you will get 20% bonus. So this is the kind of work these guys are doing. So this website is very nice. So as soon as you sign up here, like creating an account or like doing this, after you will sign up there, you will be able to shorten your URL and doing all that cool stuff which you always wanted to do. So right now I'm trying to sign up here with any of my credentials. So after you successfully sign up, the page and the interface will look something like this. All right. So you are here on your website, and this is where you can do the actual work, which is our real target to, just make money by watching videos. So you will just have to click on this new shorten link, and you will get to here. Now here you will put that YouTube video link, which is very popular, which you have seen before, and we will paste that link. And now we will just shorten this URL. It is in the process right now, as you can see. Now this is the shortened URL. Now here the game begins. This is the URL on which if you will drive traffic somehow, then you will make money, according to of course your location and wherever you are here. But you will make money for sure, that is for sure. Now there are several other ways to share the URL. You can share with your friends who relate to that video, who relate to the same thing as you need, that we choose a video which is motivational. You can send this to your friends and the people who need motivation, who like to watch all those motivation videos. One of the most popular ways to promote this URL, which I'm going to tell you, is to go to this website called Spreadsheets. This is the website. This is the website I'm talking about. On this website, you will be able to, make PDF files or document files of the website in which you can put your link, and you can really spend them and promote them with your friends, promote them with any kind of traffic, whether it's paid or it's unpaid or it's free from Facebook or any kind of things. So this is a website from where you can make all those documental videos. All right. So just I want to remind you that if you kind of like the strategy of our, you can give us a like and subscribe our channel, because we post daily money making. We can post regular content related to money making, how you can make money in the easiest way from the internet, which is one of the matters is in front of you. So this is really it, guys. That this is the website, because you really don't have to make any video. You really don't have to promote somebody else's video. You really don't have to, work on all those strategies which require you to create a good video and then get a view on that. You are just promoting the videos which are already popular, which are already being watched by people. You just have to promote them through your link, and through which people can watch them, and then and whenever somebody watches that video, so you're going to make money. So um, I hope that you guys like this video, and this is how you can make almost $500 or even more within a week or in very less amount of time. All depends on your hard work. So yes, this is really it. Thank you.